Welcome to Weil-McLain. My name is Mike Boyd. I'm the residential product manager for Weil-McLain. We're North America's leading boiler manufacturer, servicing our customers since 1881. Today, we have a new addition to the family. It's Aqua Balanced. It comes in two versions. It comes in a heating version boiler and a combi boiler version. It comes in three sizes, 80, 120, and 155. The one I have in front of me is a 155. The Aqua Balance is loaded with features. It's a water tube boiler, stainless steel, titanium infused. It's got an internal pump. It has a 3-in-1 vent connection. You can add a 2-inch, 3-inch to it, and it comes with a lot of different venting options. You can direct vent it, direct exhaust, and you even pull from two different planes. It's even got a plug on it.
I'm here at the Weil-McLain booth. We're here to introduce our new SVF 750 and 1100. SVF stands for stainless vertical fire tube. The SVF model coming in is one of the highest efficiency boilers on the market. Right now at 97.1% efficiency, we're top of the line in AHR Crossroads. One of the first things we like to talk about is the caster wheels that we have on the bottom of our boilers. The SVFs have self-leveling legs as well as easy maintenance cues on top. The controls that we use, the U controls, will be used on all of our boilers across the commercial high efficiency range. So why is that good for you? Because if you learn one, you know them all at that point. On the top, we have 8 bolts. You pull those 8 bolts. You can lift the burner section up. That way it's easy for the serviceman with a simple step ladder to get in, do maintenance on each boiler, and move on to the next. One of the unique things we have on our boiler is we have a removable pan on the bottom of the boiler. With 8 bolts, we can remove that pan and pull it out, almost like a drawer. You can clean it, you can check it and maintain it. What's also nice is later on down the line, 10, 20 years, if that pan happens to go bad, easily replaceable. All the connections are in the back of that boiler. The water intake, supply and return, our vent connections are in the back as well as all the electrical, so it's easy access.
Another new product from Weil-McLain is our Evergreen. This is our premium line. It comes in 6 sizes, ranging anywhere from 70,000 BTUs up to 399,000 BTUs. And the beauty about this boiler is that it's a control. It's a unity control in which it'll not only work with all Evergreen boilers, but it'll also work with our SVF and our slim fit boilers for commercial applications. This boiler's got a lot of presets in it. It takes a lot of guesswork off of it. So if you're working on a radiant floor, baseboard, fan coils, just press the button. It's as simple as that. It's very easy to work on. It's a stainless steel fire tube heat exchanger with a condensate base that's polypropylene. So all that condensate that comes in goes into a polypropylene base and it exits the boiler. This is the premium line from Weil-McLain. No doubt about it. It's the Evergreen boiler. Thanks for stopping by today at Weil-McLain and taking a look at the new and innovative products we have. There's so much more that we have to offer. Please check us out online at weilmclain.com. Thank you.